Welcome to my new project presentation called Cinematic Introduction in PowerPoint. This is a template, PowerPoint template for a cinematic introduction, very easy to modify and use according to your requirements. You just have to, I will give the links to my project site in the description box below. So once you reach my project site, open my project site, you can click the download button to download a zip file called a cinematic introduction in PowerPoint.zip, which is about 33.5 MB size. And once you download it, extract it, and modify the pptx file according to your requirements in PowerPoint. So let's see how to do this quickly. So I go to my downloads area. I've already downloaded it here. So this cinematic introduction in PowerPoint.zip, I have extracted it to its own folder, cinematic introduction in PowerPoint. And once you go inside that folder, there will be three files. One pptx, which is actually saved as ppsx, which means show. ppsx stands for PowerPoint show. I saved the pptx into show and also exported the pptx as an mp4, so for viewing on various devices. So let's first change the pptx, open it in PowerPoint. So once you open it, you will see that there is your logo here and your company name or introduction. Let's try to change it into a sample thing and see how it works. So first I click the picture, your logo here, I click it, right click it, change the picture from a file. So from your file you can change your logo. I will say, for example, I will say change it to a Linux Penguin logo for a Linux manual I'm composing. So for which I need a good intro for like this PowerPoint video slide. So I'm doing that. So once I do this Linux change, I will change the company name or introduction to my introduction. Say, let's say my introduction, and center this text. Center this text. So click center button. So once you click it, it goes to the center. Now that's it. Only two things you need to change in this entire introduction. Rest of all is done by me. You can of course add your own next slides. Like for example, I've added next slide with a sample title and 4 lines. You can always add your own slides after this introduction. So it will land on the site and you can change the timing of each slide in the transitions. So if you have multiple slides, you can always choose the transition time. After 20 seconds here, you can see that I have shown this slide for 20 seconds and then it will go to the next one. So this is after seconds. Duration you don't need to bother much. So and then that's it. You can even choose your transitions if you want. I have chosen the reveal transition here in transitions. And if you want to go in depth into this, you can always open in the help me, in the tell me, you can see it. There is a help button here on the menu. So there you can see the selection pane. You can click the selection pane and it will show you all the objects I have used here. One is this logo, so I clicked it, I just now changed it. And second is the introduction bar, which I've changed it. The background music I've set it to something, so you can change it if you want to, but again a lot of animation effects goes away if you delete anything in here. So I suggest use it as it is. It's all free and no non-copyrighted stuff, royalty free, so you can use it as much as you want. Music and fade to black screen is there. So this is like cinematic end to this introduction. Then a bottom bar and a top bar nicely comes up. We will watch all that now. And video.mp4 is the video which I've kept it, a beach video for a sample, so it will look nice. So let's play it and see whether our logo and introduction comes up fine. So I go to the PowerPoint show. Let's watch it. I think that's it. This will go away after 20 seconds. It will come. I press escape to just quickly get it out. Okay, so I think that's it. I've covered most part of this presentation. It's very fairly simple and easy. Just download, extract, and change your PPTEX to your will. And finally, you can save it. File, save as a show. Show is here in the type for file format. File format, you have to change it to PowerPoint show, or this is one way of saving it to a show and then passing it on your mail. So and then after that you can always export it, export file, export to not PDF, but you can say MP4 for a video. So you can directly share it on YouTube as well. Your company or your documentations, whatever you want to share, you can share it as MP4, internet quality 1280 by 720 width and height. And then you can second spends about 20 seconds you can keep it. So second spent on each slide without a set timing. So all these you can do it, export it. So that is up to you. Export or save as PowerPoint show, all these things you can do. I think I've covered most part of my presentation. Just one thing remains. So this is my project site. I will give you the links in the description box. You can download it. And secondly, I have to thank this gentleman here, One Skill PowerPoint site, who has done the original how to make a cinematic video intro in PowerPoint. It was a nice presentation from which I learnt and picked up and improved upon it for this presentation. So thanks to this gentleman here. So thank you so much. And that's it. I think I've covered most part of it. So thanks for watching. Do share, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. So and also share it with your friends and colleagues about this cinematic introduction in PowerPoint template. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.